this video, let's see how to install Ford Focus wheel spacers. A great way to improve the performance and appearance of your Focus is by installing Ford wheel spacers. However, it is important to choose the right type of spacers and ensure that they are installed correctly to avoid any negative effect. Let's take a look at the correct installation steps. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence, but do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nuts. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly first. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT cooling for the wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Ford Focus wheel spacers is the FT cooling feature. These wheel spacers are designed with pedal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actively dissipating heat for the braking system. Install the rim and then install the stock nuts. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. After installing the Ford wheel spacers, drive slowly back and forth, ensuring the rims are turned a few times. BONOSS recommended checking the use of the wheel spacer every 6 months, and checking the vehicle's operation to ensure safe driving. Let's see what is the difference after installing 1-inch Ford Focus wheel spacers. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day!